Welcome to watch today's fresh home. In Paris, an elegant and intimate pied-à-terre near the Arc de Triomphe. Adeline, Hemonnot and Sirot created a small apartment designed like a hotel suite behind La Toile. Combining custom-made furniture and carefully selected artwork, this is a sophisticated yet soothing space, aesthetically pleasing yet unostentatious. I mainly worked on the separation between the living space, the entrance, the kitchen and the small living room, and the sleeping space, which is accessible by the sliding doors, with the alcove of the bed separated from the bathroom with a glass roof to let the light in. This transition between the two spaces, the interior designer builds it like a theater set and its old-fashioned sliding panels.